Today, we're going to walk you through the basic usage of the Canon Rebel T6i. At the end of this tutorial, you should be able to take a picture, review pictures taken, and delete a picture. Begin by turning the switch on the left to the on position. To enable the LCD screen, press the screen button next to the viewfinder. The camera will most likely be on automatic mode. To change shooting modes, turn the dial until the preferred shooting mode is selected. When the shutter button is pressed halfway, by default, the camera will try to focus. The camera will show a red square when it has focused already. After focusing the camera, press all the way down to take a picture. To review last picture taken, first hit the blue play button next to the screen. You can use the directional pads to go between photos taken. If you don't like a picture, hit the bottom blue trash can icon and hit the Set button in the middle of the directional pad. For further instruction, you can refer to the Claremont College's library website. Thanks for watching.